Hi, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Ashif Khan, the student of Trytoon Academy in interior designing department. You guys know that the interior designing career is all about the creativity and about the modification of thoughts in the designing field. And Trytoon Academy gives all those factors which we need in interior design, like the good faculty, like best faculty, and including best environment for study in our interior design field, for growing our interior designing field, including practical knowledge and site visits and also the market surveys and everything at all. Actually, I am proud to be a Trytoonian.